be there.
Oh, God.
And that's what I don't even know what we're doing.
What Mitch didn't know is that we were heading to the jungle to rappel off a 350-foot cliff.
What about, like, on, say, the highway or whatever? Is there, like...
On the highways, like bandits?
Yeah.
Help! A foreign country.
Trust me, it's fine. It's fine. Are there people who go around on land?
Yeah, they're called drug runners.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. There are, though, like where we're going. It's one of the heaviest drug running zones because it's remote.
This is tarantula. This is the red rump Mexican tarantula.
Oh. Should I just run it?
Yeah. Come on, gotta load up. Protein. Load up that protein. Ah! Oh!
I didn't see
I'll try.
You don't taste like chicken.
No.
It is a bit minty.
I know, it tastes
Your head's stirring.
Buggy.
So Tommy, how are we feeling?
Not bad. Not as bad as I thought.
If you guys didn't know, Tommy's afraid of heights.
No, me and Ben.
Oh,
we're going together.
Yeah,
Ben is too?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, this helmet back thing doesn't work either. It doesn't move properly. No, I am.
All your weight will be on these Prusik knots right here, and the mariner's knot. This is what we know as a
Bye, Quinn.
So I'm just up here hanging out. Can't show my face, probably very close. This is crazy.
How was it?
This is called butterfly hunting with Q.
Oh, guess what we found?
What are those?
Pretty insane. Butterfly wings, a whole bunch of different types.
Holy cow, those look insane.
There's so many. The one with the crazy shine, they're going extinct. So it's pretty cool to see like a couple little last wings.
That's sick.
You can't see how big it is until
it's way too big.
it's like,
Look how big that bowl is.
yeah, it looks like, oh.
Hi guys. That's where we rappelled off over there. And now we are right here.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
On my water?
Grabbing us some fresh oranges?
Arnold's the man.
He's supplying.
As we left the jungle and headed back to the cabin, we all felt very content with how the day had unfolded. Belize was starting to feel less and less of a strange place.
Steven over there hogging all of the water.
Yeah.
Like what?
This is the shower situation. Hey, there's Steve. There, look at him go.
Boys, I'm in.
Oh, look at Tommy. Tommy just came.
This is height.
Are you guys I get no water. Like, look at his.
Guys, look at this. It's
now look at mine.
Are you guys going full send?
I'm going full send.
Alright.
Oh, this does not make my hair feel soft. Yikes. Not at all.
We got the whole film crew over here.
Oh, hey boys.
Milk with a stick? I would, but I don't have a stick. This is so stupid.
This is incredible.
Why are we doing this?
Okay, guys, back up a little bit.
Oh! Okay, Jake, move! Go! It is going to jump! It jumped at us!
You guys can go. That's good. I'm staying.
The next morning we packed our bags and set off to our next destination, San Pedro. We were all feeling sick after eating some pretty questionable tomatoes the night before.
So on our way to the airport, we stopped at the Belizean Zoo and we're gonna check out what kind of animals they have. There's a pig-looking thing over there. That's all I got because I'm just dead.
Are you the captain flying the plane tonight?
I'm not sure, man. Where are you guys heading to?
We're gonna head to,
San Pedro?
Yeah, San Pedro.
Okay, yeah, it will be me.
Perfect, that's
Cool.
right.
Tom's just looking like $1,000.
Looking like a midnight snack.
Tommy, would you like to explain what just happened?
I'm sick and out of it and left my wallet somewhere and I don't even know where it went, so got it back. What do you think, Steve?
I think this is pretty insane. This is what I imagine Belize to be like.
Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Wow.
That was such an excessive buildup.